Hi guys, today we're going to be changing the battery for this key fob. This is a Renault Megane key fob, Megane 3, but you can, if you have a similar key fob, that means the system is the same. So first we have to push this button over here on the side and remove the key, the actual key for this car. And after that we're going to place this key over here and just move it a little bit so that this cap is going to open itself. And now you can see the battery over here. This is a battery with the serial CR2032. So if you want to change the battery, you have to buy one of these from Amazon. They are really cheap and easy to change. Now over here on the side, if you can see, there is a thing that it's holding the battery on its place, and if I press it towards the exterior, I can remove the battery. So this is the battery. It's really simple. And really simple to change it. Just put it back over here, press it a little bit, we put this protection back, press it again, and put the key back to its place. And that's it. Very simple. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe it, and if you have any questions, just send me a message to the comment below, comment section. Thank you very much.